Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. And welcome to episode 5 on reasons for failing the driving test. And in this video, we are talking about incorrect positioning, turning right. Many learners, they fail the driving test because their positioning is wrong when they want to turn right. So let's start the lesson. Now, firstly, one of our signal when we are driving the car is the position of our car. Our position tells a lot to the other drivers what we are doing, especially when we are turning right. If you want to turn right, you want to make sure that your car becomes a signal for others so that they know what we are doing. If we need to go right, our car needs to be on the right hand side, so the cars behind and everyone else knows that what we are doing. And number 2, we shouldn't position in a way so we are distracting others or blocking others and they can't go. So number 1, the learners are failing for wrong positioning, turning right, is on a roundabout. On a roundabout, if you need to go right, you need to be in the right hand lane. Many learners, they use the left lane to go right and they are failing the test for that. So on the roundabout, if you need to go right, the exit that you are going, if it falls after 12 o'clock, meaning it's a right, you need to be in the right lane. Many learners, they fail because, like I said, they use the left lane and not the right lane. To go right on the roundabout, you need the right lane. Number 2, when you are driving on a road and you want to go right, you need to make sure that you position towards right, meaning left of center, not on the other side of the road, but on your side, but closer to the middle, meaning the center line. You are closer to that. Why? So that if you need to wait for the oncoming traffic, cars behind could carry on going. If they can't, and there are cars coming and you are waiting and you are blocking others because your position is too much on the left, you will fail your test for that. So when you're turning right from a road into a minor road, and you are waiting for the oncoming traffic, make sure that if the road is wide enough, you are on the right hand side, not on the other side. Like I said, left of center, meaning closer to the middle, still on your side, so that the cars behind could carry on going while you are waiting for the oncoming traffic. The other thing is, when you go to the end of the road and you want to go right, many learners, they wait too much on the left. And the problem with that is you are signaling right, but the position of your car is telling others that you want to go left or straight. So make sure to go right at the end of the road. You are closer to the middle, meaning to the center line, and you are waiting towards right and not on the left, so that cars behind could carry on straight or left. Also, your car becomes a signal for others that that is what you are trying to do. You want to go right. Many learners, they fail because they position too much on the left. So just to give you more understanding when you're turning right regards to position, so imagine you want to go right from here and you want to go there. Okay, this is where you are going. The road is wide enough, it's big road. Okay, you need to position left of center towards right, meaning here. You want to go there, and this is your position. You need to wait here if you need to. So say you need to wait here because there are cars coming. If there are cars coming, you need to wait. Now if you wait here on the wrong position, say you're waiting here, the cars behind not going to be able to go. That's the problem. You need to position there so that cars could go. Okay, so if you position here, so the cars behind carry on going while you are waiting for oncoming traffic. So your position is to be there. Many learners, they don't go there. They position maybe in the middle and they're blocking the cars behind while they are waiting. That's one of the problem. The other problem is, say this way you are coming. At the end, you want to go right. Okay, you want to go right at the end. Many learners, they position towards here and they do that. Okay, whereas your position should be towards there. That's where your position should be. Why? 1, because your car becomes a signal. Number 2, cars behind could go wherever they want to go. You're not blocking the others. Okay, so the bottom line is that if you are turning right, Number one, you need to signal, and number two, your position needs to be in a way so that you don't distract others, you're not blocking others. Also, your car becomes the signal for others. Looking at your car towards right, people will know that you are turning right. Also, you won't be blocking others because your position is already on the right and the cars behind could carry on going. So these are the reasons why the learners are failing for wrong positioning or incorrect positioning when turning right. I hope this video helps. If it does, please do give a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so don't miss any of my future videos. Also, to help learners more, I am also now on TikTok and also on Instagram, where I share small videos to help learners learn to drive and to pass the driving test. If you want to follow me on those platforms, go to description and you'll find the links for those platforms. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.